Fridays on Jason Ricci's YouTube channel. We do this every single Friday. Today we're going to be learning how to rise up to the root note of each blues change chromatically. So getting some very basic and important chromaticism into your playing. So this is what it's going to sound like, and I'll go through it one note at a time. After this, that's what I'm doing on one. Here I go on four. Again, back to one. 5, 4, back to 1. And I can do it up and down. Improvise. So, on the one chord, we have the root note of 1, 2 draw, 2 draw, 2 draw, 2 draw. 4 bars of 2 draw. 4 beats per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All we have to really play, and we don't even have to play this is just what I'm doing. Root note. Root note of each bar. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Back to 1. 2 draw. Here comes 5 on 4 draw. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So on the one chord, I'm going to start on 2 draw double bend, 2 draw half step bend, and 2 draw, and I'm going to do that 4 times. Once. Twice. 3 times. That's 4. And I'm doing that. Follow along. It's okay to pause. 5. 4. Back to 1. So that's what I'm working with. That's going to be your basic exercise to start messing with. And then you can find that you can put this stuff in as much or as little as you want. This is just a great way to get some beginning chromaticism into your blues playing. Let's go back to the jam tracks. I'm using this jam tracks channel, Funky Blues in G. Still on 1. 4. Back to 1. 5. 4. Back to 1. Now the great thing about this is we have 2 important notes on each chord, the flat at 7 and the root of each chord. So I can go backwards too. Up and down. like that. Something like that. Ready? You got it? All right. Some basic chromaticism in your playing. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. This is some basic blues chromaticism. Is going to get you working those bends better, get you taking this thing out of the folk genre and into the funk and jazz and advanced uptown blues genre. That's where you want to be. It'll get your half steps good. It'll improve your bending. Grandmothers like it, grandfathers like it, cousins like it, sisters like it, dogs like it, cats like it, ferrets like it, maybe even a hedgehog likes it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Basic chromaticism in your playing. Check out the jam tracks. Subscribe. Patreon, thank you very much. You're keeping me alive, supporting me. This is why Free Fridays happen for all y'all. Hundreds and hundreds of free YouTube videos right here on this channel. Stay tuned for the credits. Thank you everybody for tuning in to Free Fridays right here on YouTube. Subscribe today. Click the subscribe button for hundreds of free harmonica lessons. If you like what I'm putting down and you'd like to support the cause, go the extra mile, be sure to visit my Patreon page. Patreon patrons, thank you very much. You're making these lessons an absolute priority in my life. No matter how busy I get, a free lesson happens every Friday. For as low as $1 a month, that's 25 cents a lesson, you can become a Patreon patron. If you're doing a little better and you can donate more, that's great. Every time you become a Patreon patron, you're helping somebody else out there that doesn't have a credit card, that doesn't have $1 a month, to continue to get free harmonica instruction and much, much more. Remember, we got product reviews here on this channel. We do videos on addiction and bipolar disorder. We got blues stories. We got performance videos and everything right here on Jason Ricci's YouTube. Subscribe today. I'd like to thank Honer Harmonicas, and I'd like to thank Blue Moon Harmonicas, making custom parts for any harmonica that you might have at home. Blue Moon has got you. The Lone Wolf Blues Company, pedals, amplifiers, microphones, you name it, much more. Right here out of Louisiana, the Lone Wolf Blues Company is bringing you the best in customer service for almost any kind of amplified blues harmonica needs that you may have. Speaking of amplifiers, Harp Gear amplifiers, check them out. The very best Harp Gear, right out of Ocala, Florida. I got a website, www.mooncat.org. Check me out on mooncat.org. I got tour dates happening all over the place. I'm going all over the country this year, playing tour dates with J.J. Appleton, with Damon Fowler, with J.P. Soares, with my own band, with Joe Crown, all kinds of people. www.mooncat.org. T-shirts, lesson information, all of that. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. We do this every single Friday, and then every now and then I throw you some more stuff right here at Jason Ricci's YouTube. A Mooncat, love and appreciate all y'all. Thank you.